Hey everybody, went to Harbor Freight again. Seen someone else posted about these flashlights and how awesome they were, so I had to get one. Had a coupon there like for $4.99 or something like that. You got a high, a low, you can't tell much of a difference. And then it shoots out the end here. Has batteries in this one, 3 AA batteries. Magnetic base, bunch of stuff. I bought 2 at the time, and here's the other one. I let my 4-year-old son play with it briefly, and you can see it doesn't take him long to ruin the button. So I don't know what the deal is with that. Make sure they all work before you buy them. He didn't rip the button out, it was actually in there all wadded up. I peeled it out, but somehow he ruined the switch in there. It's kind of hard to see, but somehow he jammed it in there, which is kind of a bummer, but at least it was only $5. Anyways, on the back side here, you can see you've got a hook, you've got a magnet here, and you have a magnet here, which is kind of cool because you can put it in any direction. So it can go like such, you know, any direction, point it however. Plus it also magnetic on the other side, so you can stick it under things or sides of things however you want. So all in all, pretty good deal, I think, as long as you don't let a 4-year-old destroy it. So I'd give it kind of half a thumbs up. It works. It's the high and low, there's not a huge difference. I don't really have a good way to demonstrate it. You'll see it in person, but for the price you can't lose on that deal. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, be in the top, and catch you on the next one. Okay, so the one with the bad button here that my son screwed up, I just took it apart. Here's what's in there. Not too much. Just got a bunch of Phillips head screws. These little yellow deals here just clip on, so you just pry them from the back and snap them forward. They'll come off. Here's the 3 batteries that they had in there. But not much to it, so what I did is this screw was stripped out here. So I took it out and put it in this other side. And now it seems to be okay. I put the little deal back in there. So I'm going to give it a shot. Put it back together and we'll be right back. Okay, we got it back together. I will say that almost all of these screws were stripped out. One of them won't even stay in anymore, and I noticed that when taking them out they were pretty sloppy. But it kind of works. Now every time you push in it, the light goes on. I don't know why that is. But at least it's usable. So there you go. If you have a problem with it, now you know how to fix it. Please subscribe.